Do some sieving. Oh, kiss me. Do some sieving. Sieving.
Do some sieving. That's my bestest friend right there, Alexis. I love her. She's so pretty. I like her.
Do some sieving. I'm gonna go make some food because I'm a hungry whore.
It's kind of dark in here. What do I have in my freezer? Nothing very yummy. Let's look in my fridge. I hope my mom doesn't come up with that. I'll fall. I'll just turn it aside. That's all pretty gross. I don't know, that chicken dip looks pretty good. That shit. Ew. Dried up prune?
Hello. It is 1:04 in the AM hours.
I hope you can see that.
Hello,
child.
I think she went a little crazy when she was peeing. Wonder if I could take this and pee at the same time.
No, I don't want porn on mine. There was a vacuum cleaner. She's dead. Oh, I see it. Thank you. Look at me in my royal throne. Say hi, royal throne.
My mom's gonna kill us if she wakes up.
That's why we don't let her wake up.
Oh my bitch. Oh my butt. Oh. Oh, I'm squishing something.
This is not animal sex time.
Oh, I have a wall post notification. The vacuum hurt my head.
Oh. No, stop moving. Oh. I'm pretty sure I just elbowed her in the neck.
Oh, no, that was my back and it hurts like a bitch.
Oh, sorry, I love you. Say bye-bye.
Bye, bitch.